Hello students, welcome in our English lecture. Today we are going to learn unit number 8.1, a bicycle in a good repair. Students, this is very humorous story which is written by Jerome K. Jerome. One friend is going to meet his another friend, and what he did with his bicycle, that all the things they given here. So today we will taking up this new chapter, a bicycle in good repair, by Jerome K. Jerome. So students, it is very humorous story, and where the author's friend took out the parts of the bicycle and disfigured it completely. So we will take the introduction about this author. He is Jerome K. Jerome. Now we will take information about him. Jerome K. Jerome was born on 2nd May 1859 and he passed away on 14th June 1927. He was an English writer and humorist, and he is best known for his comic travelogue, The Three Men in a Boat. Now students, we will see what is the theme of that lesson. So the theme is that half knowledge is always dangerous. Either be ignorant or excellent. So students, always we have to be perfect in each and everything. If you have half knowledge, so don't use your knowledge anywhere. Another theme is that learn to say no whenever required. So we have two beautiful themes, that have knowledge is dangerous, and second one is learn to say no whenever required. Now next we have the video of this chapter. So now we will turn towards the reading and explanation of lesson. A man I knew proposed one evening we should go for a long bicycle ride together on the following day, and I agreed. I got up early for me. I made an effort and was pleased with myself. He came half an hour late. I was waiting for him in the garden. It was a lovely day. He said, "That's a good looking machine of yours. How does it run?" "Oh, like most of them," I answered. "Easily enough. In the morning, goes a little stiffly after lunch." He got hold of it by the front wheel and the fork and shook it violently. I said, "Don't do that. You will hurt it." अब एक फ्रेंड ने दूसरे को बताया. I did not say why he should shake it. वो क्यों हिला रहा था उसने देखा नहीं. It had not done anything to him. Besides, if it wanted shaking, I was the proper person to shake it. I felt much as I should, and he started whacking my dog, means his bicycle. He said, "This front wheel wobbles." I said, "It doesn't if you don't wobble it." It don't wobble. As a matter of fact, nothing worth calling a wobble. He said, "This is dangerous. Have you got a hammer?" I ought to have been firm, but I thought that perhaps he really did know something about the business. I went to the tool shed to see what I could find. When I came back, he was sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. He was playing with it, twiddling it around between his fingers. The remnant of the machine was lying on the gravel path beside him. He said, "It looks to me as if the bearing were all wrong." I said, "Don't you trouble about it anymore. You will make yourself tired. Let's put it back and get off." He said, "We may as well see what is the matter within it. Now it is out." He talked as though it had dropped out by accident. Before I could stop him, he had unscrewed something somewhere and out rolled all over the path some dozen or so little balls. "Catch him!" he shouted. "Catch him! We mustn't lose any of them." He was quite excited about them. He grovelled around for half an hour and found 16. He said he hoped we had got them all, because if not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. I put them for safety in my hat. It was not a sensible thing to do, I admit. He then said that while he was about 8, he would see to the chain for me, and at once began taking off the gear case. I did try to dissuade him from that. I told him what an experienced friend of mine once said to me solemnly, "If anything goes wrong with your gear case, sell the machine and buy a new one. It comes cheaper," he said. People talk like that who understand nothing about machines. Nothing is easier than taking off a gear case. I had to confess he was right. In less than 5 minutes, he had the gear case in 2 pieces on the path and was groveling for screws. He said it was always mystery to him the way screws disappeared. Common sense continued to whisper to me, "Stop him before he does any more mischief. You have a right to protect your own property from the ravage of the Atlantic." take him by the scruff of the neck and kick him out of the gate. मतलब अब उस फ्रेंड को ऐसे लग रहा था कि उसे गेट से मैं बाहर फेंक दूँ. बट आई एम वीक when it comes to hurting other people's feeling. लेकिन उसे ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. And let him muddle on. He gave up looking for the rest of the screws. He said screws had a knack of turning up when you least expected them, and that now he would see to the chain. He tightened it. अब उसने चेन को टाइट किया till it would not move. Next he loosened it. अब उसने टाइट भी किया और फिर से लूज भी किया until it was twice as loose as it was before. Then he said, we had better think about getting the front wheel back into its place again. I held the frog open and he worried with the wheel. At the end of 10 minutes, I suggested he should hold the frog and that I should handle the wheel, and we changed places. At length, we did get the thing into the position. अब उन्होंने wheel भी change किया. And the moment it was in the position, he burst out laughing. अब उसने हंसना शुरू किया. I said, what's a joke? जोक क्या हुआ है? He said, well, I am an ass. It was the first thing he had said that made me respect him. I asked him what had led him to the discovery. He said, we have forgotten the balls. I looked for my head. It was lying topsy-turvy in the middle of the path. So he was of a cheerful disposition. He said, well, we must put back all we can find and trust to Providence. We found 11. We fixed 6 on one side and 5 on the other side. And half an hour later, the wheel was in its place again. आधे घंटे के बाद उसका व्हील उस साइकिल में बैठ गया. It need hardly be added that it really did not wobble now. A child might have noticed it. He said it would do for the present. I said, watching you do this is real use to me. It is not only your skill that fascinates me. It is your cheery confidence in yourself, your inexplicable hopefulness that does me a good. Thus encouraged, he set to work to refix the gear case. He stood the bicycle against the house and worked from the offside. Then he stood it against a tree and worked from the outside. Then I held it for a while. He lay on the ground, head between the wheels, and worked at it from below, and dropped oil upon himself. Then he took it away from me and doubled himself across it till he lost his balance and slid over onto his head. Then he lost his temper and tried bullying the thing. The bicycle, I was glad to see, showed spirit, and the subsequent proceeding degenerated into the little else than rough tumble fight between him and the machine. One moment the bicycle would be on the gravel path and he on the top of it. The next the position would be reversed. He on the gravel path, the bicycle on him. Now he would be standing flushed with victory. The bicycle firmly fixed between his legs. But his triumph would be short-lived. By a sudden, quick movement, it would free itself and turning upon him, hit himself sharply over the head with one of his handles. At 1:15, dirty and disheveled, cut and bleeding, he said, "I think that we will do," and rose and wiped his brow. The bicycle looked as if it also had enough of it, which had received most punishment. It would have been difficult to say. I took him into the back kitchen, where, so far as was possible, he cleaned himself. Then I sent him home. So students, now we saw the lesson. तो जब भी आपको अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उसमें ना ही कहना है. Now we will see the health benefits of regular cycling. It is increased the cardiovascular fitness, increased muscle length and flexible. Exercise keeps us fit, so what you do think about the cycling? Let me tell you health benefits of regular cycling. Now it is improved the joint mobility, also decrease the stress level, also increase the muscle strength and flexibility. It is improves the posture of our body and the coordination. It is strengthen the bones. So these are some importance of cycling. So students, I hope you understood that story very well, how that one friend is behave with the another friend and how he sent him in the trouble with his cycle. अगर आपको कोई चीज़ें नहीं आती है तो उसमें नहीं जाना चाहिए, और अगर वो ठीक से आती है तो क्या करना है, हमें उसे करना चाहिए. सो बी एक्टिव एंड